Good morning to everybody. So we are super excited today to show you a quick preview of the new cool features that are coming in the feature pack of this June 2024. So, first of all, today we have also a special firmware provided by Yealink that offer a camera control on built-in camera as well as the optional PTZ 12X and 6X. So the integration is so cool. Let's start. So I just start a new Teams call or Zoom call. So we start Teams now. New meeting. Starting instant meeting. Camera is automatically activating, and we have this round menu. Okay, I can tap and then I have manual control of the camera. Now it's not a PTZ, but it's digital. And I have tracking features, so I can activate an example auto framing, and both people are in the same window. So second point is speaker tracking. Test. 1, 2, 3, test.
1, 2, 3, test. 1, 2, 3.
Then we have multifocus. Multifocus, it's automatically creating the gallery mode of multiple people, so up to 6 people. Last but not least is speaker tracking and PIP mode, so picture-in-picture mode on auto framing. There we go. Now is identifying people. So we have the meeting room on top and speaker tracking. Let's try to talk, Diego.
Test.
Come back to me, please. So here we go. So this cool feature works independently of the video conferencing provider that we are using. Now I deactivate this PIP mode off, and I show you a new powerful feature in our Mago Pro. So first of all, I invite myself. So on the back here we have one Macintosh running Teams. So I'm calling myself. Okay. Yes, Diego, I'm answering. Normal Teams call. And now what's happened? So I put in full screen, and I want from remote to screen share on this screen the content from the meeting room. So first of all, I connect just one presentation here, and you can so now I'm connecting, so I just open one workspace, but I can open PowerPoint, Excel, whatever. And when you are in Teams and you screen share, you have this standard behavior, okay? Teams, Zoom, WebEx, etc. So, and remotely people see the remote location in a tiny, small thumbnail and big content. So this is good, but not the best. So what we have created is a very, very powerful way to super present from remote. We have a special button here called Mago Presenter Mode. So hitting this button now, the canvas disappears and we have the presenter and the contents. And the contents that are in the whiteboard are still available, so but it's single content, because the intention of this functionality is to better present any type of object or application, and having remotely people that see live what is happening into the meeting environment. An example here, we have this car, we can change color, example, we want to set the red, etc. So this is an example. And the other objects are in this special left menu. Imagine that I want now to drag a catalog or PowerPoint presentation, and here we go. So now we can interact with the pen at the same way of the canvas, but also we can work here. So the full video conferencing becomes a canvas, and we have the same functionality of the whiteboard. Another important functionality is the magic tool. So inside the pen set, you have this magic tool that, an example, I use the yellow, is disappearing after 5 seconds, is intended for the presentation. So look remotely what happened. I am the super presenter. What else? So I can remove all the objects from the canvas, and I have a bar here, so I can add an example, a browser. I can add an example, notes, so adding notes. I want to select now digital pen. I can also use this for writing something. So that's very cool feature. I can add web browser page. And you can pin and unpin. So an example, I press move, I want here, I want here. So you can create a very powerful way to pitch and have interaction with your remote audience. So this is the Mago Presenter mode. Last but not least feature that I want to show you is the new powerful Mago Link wireless presentation that not require also on mobile, that's the news. I need to jump on any Wi-Fi network. So imagine that I have my phone. I show you that I'm in 5G in this moment, so there is no Wi-Fi. So in our trackpad we have screen share, and now in a secure way we can start a broadcast from iPhone, iPad, Android tablet, Harmony OS. And the screen is receiving our broadcast. So now I'm in 0.5 seconds of latency, and I can show you my phone. And since we are in the meeting board whiteboard with Mago Pro, you can also capture content. An example, I want to capture this cool part of the car, and in the back we have our workspace that is ready for interaction and for brainstorming. So stay tuned. June 2024, a lot of news are coming, including new hardware and new features. So this is just a quick preview of what's happening in Mago. Take care.